Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm going to do question number 7 from the June 2023 Regents exam. All right, so it says, which function will have the greatest value when x is greater than 1? So here's the thing. They've given you 4 functions. So basically what you guys should be saying is, let's graph the functions. And then here's the key though. It says, which one will have the greatest value? When they say that, they mean which one is going to have the greatest y value when you have an x value that's greater than 1. So all you have to do is choose a x value that's greater than 1. I'm going to say x is 3. It could be anything greater than 1, but I'm going to say x is 3. And I'm going to see what the values are for each one of these functions. And then once I do that, the one that has the greatest value is going to be the answer. So let's just go through and get these done. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to use this. So the very first function that I'm going to put in is going to be exponential function. And the reason that I know it's exponential is the exponent is a variable. So boom, I'm going to do that. Now I'm just going to do menu 51. And then I'm going to type in 3 because that's the value that I want to check. And it tells me that when I put in the input 3 or when I put in the x value of 3, this is going to be 250. Okay. Let me take this and move it up here. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep going and I'm going to see what the other values are. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to use another graph. And this one, I'm going to put in 2x plus 5, which is a linear function. And I would be very surprised if this linear function has a higher value. Menu 51, and I'm going to put in 3. Again, they're all using the value. So when x is 3, the output is going to be 11, or the y value is 11. That's not higher. So now let me go and I'm going to use this function now. I'm going to do 2x squared, 2x squared plus 5. This is a quadratic. It's going to be a smile. And now I'm just going to do menu 51. Boom. And then I am going to just type in 3. And it says 323. So that's higher than the linear, but it's definitely not high as the exponential. And then I got one more. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to enter this function. This is a cubic function because the highest exponent is a 3. And then it's going to be plus 5 plus 5. Press enter, menu 51. And then I'm just going to type in 3. And it tells me that the output is 59, or the y value is 59. So this one is done. So when I go here, you can see that exponentials have the greatest value. That would be the answer. And that's how you can do it. All right, I'm going to post this. By the way, exponentials are the fastest growing functions as a whole, family of functions as a whole. So whenever you're trying to compare functions and there's an exponential, that's the one you should generally choose unless proven otherwise. All right, I'm going to sign off.